Okay, so here a retailer made a profit when he allowed discount of 4% on the list price. So list price is nothing but MRP. Okay, okay. But he incurred a loss to the extent of half of the rate percent of his profit when he raised the discount by 200%. Try to understand the statement. But he incurred a loss to the extent of half of the rate percent of his profit, right? So here he has some profit, let's say P. Now he'll get a loss of P by 2% here when he raised the discount by 400% as that of earlier. Question is, what is the original profit percent? So don't get panic, just try to understand. Here, if I assume the MRP as 100x, right? So the trader retailer is giving discount of 4%, so discount will be 4x here. So the selling price of retailer will become 96x. I hope this is clear. In the second case, what is happening, for the same product, for the same MRP, now he raised the discount by 200%. So 200% raise of this 4x, this means you are increasing your discount by 8x, right? 8x is 200% of this value, right? So you are increasing, you are raising your discount by 200%, so your new discount will become 12x. So your selling price of this case is 88x in the second situation, right? Here you have a loss case and here you have a profit case. By selling an article for rupees 96x, you get profit. By selling it for 88x, you get loss. Okay, great. Now try to understand, it is given there is some cost price, so cost price will be same, right? So let's say this is cost price. Cost price is same because we are talking about the same product, right? Here it has some profit percent, here it has some loss percent. On the same cost price you're calculating profit percent, on the same cost price you're calculating loss percent. It is given that the loss percent is half of this. So can I say if the profit is 2p rupees here, right, it will be, the loss will be p rupees here, right? The loss will be p rupees here. I hope you are understanding, because if you calculate, let's say for example, if you calculate 10% on this value, so you have to calculate 5% of this value. So 10% of this value and 5% of this value is exactly half. I hope you are understanding. So if profit is 2p, loss is p rupees, right? Right, I hope you are understanding. So in case of profit, cost price plus profit is equal to selling price, yes or no? So selling price minus profit, I can say minus profit is equal to cost price, right? And in case of loss, selling price plus loss is equal to cost price. Are you getting this? I hope this is pretty much clear, guys, right? Or now both the values are equal. So it is, if I equate them, it becomes 8x is equal to minus 2p will go to that side, will become 3p, or x upon p will become 3 by 8, right? Yes, we are very much close to the answer now. I hope, please pause this video and recap whatever we have done, right? You can ask the queries, no issues. Okay, now when x is 3, p is 8, so I can consider x as 3m and p as 8m, yes or no? Because we got the ratio. So let's plug in the values here. So 96x is nothing but 96 into 3m, which is 90 into 3, 270, 6 into 3, 18, which is 288m rupees. Okay, we have profit as 2p here, so 2 into 8m, which is 16m as the profit. This is your selling price, this is your profit, right? So what is your cost price? Your cost price will be 272m, right? This is your cost price. You have cost price as 272m, you have profit of 16M, is yes, you can definitely calculate the profit percent here. So profit percent is profit upon cost price into 100, right? Profit upon cost price into 100. So if you solve it, mm will get cancelled out. 16 1 16 1 11 112 16 7 is this 100 by 17. This is your answer, right? How? See, 100 by 17, how can we simplify it further? 17 5s are 85, remainder is 15, divisor is this. That's it, right? I hope you understood. The question is quite challenging, but if you go in a systematic way, you can definitely get the answer. I hope this is clear. Great.